Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio installed and a Python runtime. Once you have the installer, choose the Python development workload or install the Python extension for code. Make sure to add Python to path during installation so the IDE detects it automatically. Also install C++ build tools if you plan to compile native wheels. After this initial install finishes, restart the machine when prompted and open Visual Studio to begin configuring interpreters and extensions. Once Visual Studio is open, select or add your Python interpreter in the Python Environments pane. This ensures correct linting and debugging. Next, create and activate a virtual environment using Python mvenv. Venv, so dependencies stay isolated, make sure to select that venv as the interpreter. Then install your project packages with pip or the IDE package manager. Also configure linters and formatters like Pylint and Black, and set up the debugger settings so breakpoints and environment variables behave predictably. Finish by creating launch. JSON for your debug configuration and tasks. JSON for build steps so running and debugging is one click. Run your test suite with PyTest and confirm Test Explorer discovers tests. Make sure working directories match. Configure source formatting and Git integration for smooth commits. If something goes wrong, the most common fixes are reselecting the interpreter, activating the virtualenv in the terminal, and ensuring path points to the correct Python. Reopen the IDE after changes to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.